machine. Give life to our little friend. Moving on the screen, he's got 2 pointy ears and can be seen. Moving in the halls behind the scenes. He's listening and always moving, following and choosing, standing and improving. Then one day you pull the spring and you reanimate our little Benji. Benji and the ink machine. In a way you've never seen. Benji and the ink machine. Then watch out, or he'll make you scream. He's got a friend named Boris that loves to play that good old music from the day. In a big large band with all his friends, the clarinet was there for him till the end.